Birkuri. I am in 7th class. About Teachers Day, 5 September 2024. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, first Vice President and second President of our country, was born on 5 September 1888 Brahmin family, Tirthani village, Tamil Nadu. The name of his parents was Sitama Veeraswamy and his mother tongue was Telugu. He studied from missionary school Radhakrishnan and from Madras University M.A. Philosophy. His career started as a professor.
Good morning to everyone. Respected principal, teachers and all my friends. Today I am here to speak. He was our Teacher's Day. It's really an honor to be here today in class which on this occasion, as we all know, we are all gathered here to celebrate Teacher's Day, commemorating the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a legendary first Vice President and the second President of India. This day is celebrated across the country by students there thank their teachers for their incredible support and guidance. Needless to say that the parents give birth to a child while the teachers take the prominent.
Good morning to all respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. First I wish you a very happy Teachers Day. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this special occasion. Friends, we celebrate Teachers Day on 5th of September every year in India with great joy. Actually, this day is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Radhakrishnan was an excellent teacher, great scholar and President of India. His contribution to the field of education is greatly admired. Teachers' Day is the best way for students to express love and respect for teachers. They are our real heroes and best friends. They are the ones who inspire us, guide us, enlighten us, and most important, motivate us to get best out of us and shapes us. They are source of knowledge.